and welcome to Hack with Akshay. So in this video we are going to solve one more interview question related to JavaScript. As you can see, we have a given and question how to create a normal closure and infinite closure function. So what is closure? So actually the closure is something that invokes an inner function. Let me give you an example. Suppose we have a function, a normal function you can create. You can see here sum is stand for a normal function which we create using a function keyword. Suppose inside a function we have written another function, suppose something like this. So whenever the outer function is invoking the inner function, that means it's a closure. We create closure to private the variables of a function. Let's suppose we have an let b equal to 0. So the scope of the b lies inside the inner function as well. Suppose we are doing something like this, b plus a, and the a value is coming from parameter of sum. So here b is a local variable for sum and which can be accessible inside another inner function. One more thing you can see here, a is a outer function parameter which can be accessed inside another inner function. So as you can see, we can say that a closure is something which invoked internally and has the access of its private variable and the outer function parameter as well. How we invoke the inner function? Just write console log. You can see when we are invoking the sum, so sum has a parameter a, we can pass any value into it, and when we do one more parenthesis, it's mean we are trying to invoke the inner function. So we can pass b and the b value can be grabbed into an inner function here. So we need to remove this b. Now when we save and run the code, we got 4. So this is a normal function syntax we can use. Suppose if you want to keep adding the parameters value, something like infinite closure function, so what we can do, the logic behind that is something like this. We need to check b value and then we need to do return sum a plus b. So whatever the a and b value will be there, it will be total inside a sum, and the sum will hold the a plus b value inside the a variable. So we need to return here a. So that's it. When we rerun the code, we got the output. As you can see, we got an anonymous function. So at the end, we need to do one more parenthesis to invoke the inner function. As you can see, we got 4 again. Suppose if we keep adding the parameters, it will keep calculating the sum of the a and b. That's it. So we got the output as 24. So congratulations, we have solved one more interview question related to JavaScript. So hope you have learned something new in this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video as more you can.